everybody. This is the Whisper Corner, and in this video I'm going to be doing some 30-second brain teasers. I haven't made a video of these for a while, so I thought I'd do one. So let's see. 2 times 5 is 10, double it is 20, take away 16 is 4, plus 10 is 14, half of that is 7, times 7 is 49, plus 29 is 78, divided by 6 is 13, take away 10 is 3. Let's see. 9 times 15 is 135. Let's see, 2/3 of that, and then triple that. So that triple cancels with that one, so that's times 2 is 270. 1/6 of that is 45, just to be sure. 45 plus 29 is 74, divided by 2 is 37, take away 30 is 7, squared is 49, times 70 is 329. No, yes, no, 7, 200, 343. 80 divided by 10 is 8, 5/8 of that is 5, 3/5 of that is 3, times 25 is 75, 20% of that's a fifth, that's 15, plus 73 is 88, triple that is 240, 264, take away 56 is 208. Divide that by 8, divided by 2 is 104, divided by 2 is 52, divided by 2 is 26. 48, half of that is 24, plus 11 is 35, double that, divided by 10 is 70, divided by 10 is 7, times 7 is 49, take away 20 is 29, times 5 is 145, plus 21 is 166, divided by 2 is 83. 5 times 14 is 70, 3/7, so that is 30. Triple that is 90, 5/16, 5/6, 1/6 is 15, divided by 15 is 1, so that's going to be 5, plus 29 is 34, times 4 is 120, 136, take away 53 is 83, double that's 166. 68, 3/4 of that divided by 3 is 1/4, so that's going to be 17, times 4 is back up to 68, plus 72 is 140, 1/7 of that is 20, 19, it's going to be 18, triple that is 54, 40 by 45 is 9, square that is 81. 35 divided by 5 is 7, times 4 is 28, double that is 56, plus 15 is 71, take away 25 is 46, half of that is 23, plus 6 is 29, times 5 is 145, take away 2 is 143, 5 5s are 25, triple that is 75, 2/3 of that is 50, divided by 10 is 5, plus 49 is 54, 5/6 of that, 5 9s are 45, take away 41 is 4, squared is 16, times 12 is 192, 70, 2/7 of that is 20, times 19 is 380, 10% of that is 30. is 60, 5 6, that's 50. Take away 40, it's 2, cube, that's 8, triple, that's 24. 13 times 3 is 39, double that is 78, divided by 6 is 13, plus 23 is 36. Half of that's 18, take away 14 is 4, times 5 is 20, take away 8 is 12, plus 20 is 32. 55 tripled is 150, 160, 177. Take away 55 is 122, divided by 2 is 61, plus 25 is 86, times 3. There's an awful lot of fractions. Let's see. Times 8, and a quarter of that. That's times 2. 5 6. Divided by 5 is 1/6. So that's times 6. 86. 22, 9 11th, that 1 11th is 2, 9 2 are 18, divided by 3 is 6, 5 6 are 5, times 17 is 85, plus 80 is 165, 20% is a fifth, so it's going to be 5 goes into that 3, 33 times, take away 27 is 6 cubed, that is 216, divide that by 12, that is 1, and that is 8. 43 doubled is 86, take away 4 is 82, half that is 41, times 3 is 123, plus 21 is 144, divided by 12 is 12, times 11 is 132, divide that by 3 is 44, plus 19 is 63, 41 times 8, times 8 times 5, 8th time, divided by 5, that's 1, so that's 1, 2, 3, plus 53 is 176, 3/4 of that, 4 goes into that, 44 times, so that's going to be 132, take away 51 is 81, double that's 162, divided by 9 is once 18. 18 times 6 is 3, times 7 is 21, 2/3 of that is 14, plus 46 is 60, divided by 3 is 20, 70% of that is 14, triple that's 42, take away 21 is 21, times 18 is 42, and these are bother with 360, and 378. 14 times 10 is 140, half of that is 70, divided by 10 is 7, double it's 14, plus 14 is 28, take away 16 is 12, times 9 is 108, divided by 2 is 54, plus 5 is 59, 13 times 8, and then you take 3 8s, so it's times 3, so then triplets times 9, and then 7 9ths that, it's going to be times 7, so it's going to be 70, 91. Take away 29 is 62, divided by 2 is 31, plus 23 is 54, double that is 108, divided by 12 is 9. 46 divided by 2 is 23, times 7 is 140, 161, take away 21 is 140, 3 7ths that, 1 7 is 23, 20 is 60, 30% of that is 18, 5 6 of that is 15, plus 34 is 49, triple that, divided by 7 is 21. 46, half of that is 23, times 7, 140, 161, take away 7 is 154. Divide that by 2 is 77, plus 9 is 86. Double it, divided by 4 is a half, so that's 43. Plus 22, take away 25, stick away 3, so that's 40. 61, triple it, times 2/3, divided by 2 is just times 1. Times 5 times 3/5 is times 3, so that's 183. Take away 63 is 120, double that's 240. Plus 26 is 266, half that's 133. 54, 5 6, that 169, 5 9s are 45. Divided by 15 is 3, times 18 is 54. 2/3 of that is 36, plus 34 is 70. 90% of that is 63, take away 22 is 41. Triple that's 123, take away 47 is 60, 70, 76. 21 doubled is 42, divided by 7 is 6, times 11 is 66, half that's 33, take away 19 is 14, plus 2 is 16, times 8 divided by 4 is times 2, so that's 32, plus 16 is 48. 55, 10 11, so that's 1 11 is 5, 10 5s is 50, triple that, we see 50 divided by 5 is 10, triple it's going to be 30, 5/6 of it, 165, so that's 25 times 10 is 250, plus 26 is 276, half of that is 138, take away 23 is 115, and double that's 230. 74 divided by 2 is 37, times 5 times 3/5, so that's times 3, that's 90, 111, take away 46 is 65, 80% of that's 4/5, 1/5 is 13, 4/13 is 52, that's 13, 3/13 is 39, plus 60 is 99, divided by 11 is 9, triple it is 27. 42, half of that's 21 times 7, and divided by 3, so that's 7, that's going to be 49, double that is 98, take away 24, that's 4, 74, plus 6 is 80, divided by 10 is 8 times 2 is 16, plus 24 is 40. 73, triple that, it's all 1. So 73 times 5 is 350, 365. Take away 67 is 298. Half of that's 149. Plus 73, so that's 2, that's 2, that's 2. 1/6 of that, 6 goes into that 3 times. Remainder 4, so that's going to be 37 times 9, just to be awkward. 270 and 63, 333. 58 divided by 2 is 29, times 5 times 2/5 is times 2, so that's 58. Take away 28 is 30, 1/6 of that is 5, plus 35 is 40. 30% of that is 12, triple that, and then divided by 12 is 1, so that's 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3, times 7 is 21, double that is 42, plus 22 is 64, half of that is 32, take away 21 is 11, times 6 is 66, divided by 11 is 6, plus 6 is 12. Triple it, times 0 is 1, so it's 73, times 5, take away times 4/5, just times 4, so that's 280, and 12 is 292, take away 40 is 252, half of that is 126, plus 50 is 176, double that, 352. That cancels out. 47 take away 32 is 15. 1/3 of that is 5 plus 80 is 85. 3%, 60% is 3/5. 3/5, 1/5 is 17. 3 17s are 51. Triple that, and then divided by 9 is 1/3, so that's 17. 39 divided by 3 is 13. Times 11 is 143, take away 11 is 132, half of that is 66, plus 29 is 95, double that is 190, divided by 10 is 19, times 4 is 76, plus 7 is 83, 39 is 38, 9 times 6, okay, 9 times a ninth cancels out. So we have 38. We have triple, and we have a sixth is a half. So that's 19 plus 75 is 94. Divided by 2 is 47. Take away 46 is 1 times 6 is 6. Squared is 36. 55. 5 elevenths, 1 11th is 5 5/5s or 25. And 20% is a quarter. No, it's not. It's a fifth. So a fifth. So that's going to be, get rid of that. And that'll become 3. So that's 75. Third of that's 25 plus 49 is 74. Divided by 2 is 37. Take away 22 is 15. Triple that, divided by 15 is 3. 23 double is 46 times 3, and so you have times 3 and divided by 3, so that cancels out, so it's back to 23 with a half it. 17 is 40, take away 25 is 15, times 10 is 150, divided by 30 is 5, plus 15 is 20, 21 1/3 of that is 7, times 10, times 3 tenths is times 3, triple that is times 9, divided by 9 is 1, so that's just 7 plus 20, 73 is 80, double that is 160, take away 69 is 91, times 3 is 273, 91 take away 48 is 49, times 7, times 3 sevenths, just cancels out, so that's 49, plus 46 is 95, 1/5 of that is 19, triple that is 57, take away 32 is 25, 40% of that is 2/5, 1/5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. 19 times 9, and then divided by 3, so that's times 3, and double that is times 6. So 19 is going to be 114. Take away 9 is 105. Plus 17 is 122. Half of that is 61. Plus 3 is 64. Divided by 4 is 16. Times 8 is 130. No, it's not. It's 128. 59 triple divided. That's just 1. Plus 71 is 130. 7 tenths. 1 tenth is 13. 7 13s are 91. Take away 22 is 59. 69. And times 4, half of that is times 2. Divided by 6 becomes a third. So it's 23. 67 plus 38 is 105. 2/3 of that, 1/3 is 35. 35. So 2, that's going to be 70. Divided by 10 is 7 times 12 times 5, 6 is 10, so that's 70. Take away 35 is 35. 3 times 80% is 4/5, 1/5 is 7, 4 7s are 28. Triple that divided by 12, 3 over 12 is a quarter, so that's 7. 16 times 4 is 60. Well, actually, you're going to have, no, never mind. 64, half of that, and then divided by 8 is divided by 16, so that's 4. Double that's 8 plus 3 is 11. Take away 4 is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1 times 11. What did I just do? I forgot what I did, so that's 11. And that's 28. 58 times 3. You have 5, 6 divided by 5 is 1, 6. So triple that divided by 6 is a half. So that's 29. And then times 11 times 3, 11 times 3. So that's 60, 87. Take away 48 is 39. Times 3 is 90, 117. Plus 52 is 169. Double that is 320. 338. 31 times 11 times 7, 11, so that's cancel this out, so that's 31. That's 1, 1, 5, 3/5, that 1/5 is 23, 323 or 69. Take away 59 is 10. 10% is 1, triple it is 3, and cube it is 27. 16. Well, half that divided by 8 is divided by 16, so that's 1, so that's 11. Double that is 22, take away 2 is 20, plus 8 is 28, divided by 7 is 4, times 3 is 12, plus 6 is 18. A lot of multiplying. Divided by 30 times 15, that's a half. And then 2/3, that's going to be 1/3. Okay, 36, 5 6, so that 1/6 is 5. 1/6 is 6, 5 6s are 30, and a third of that is 10. Plus 55 is 65. 80% is 4/5, 1/5 is 13, 4/13 is 52. Take away 42 is 10, triple that is 30. Divided by 15 is 2. 23 times 4 is, I think we check my pop, 92. Triple that, so that's times 3. Okay, triple that, 276. 5/60 is 1/12. So 12 goes into that twice, or 3, so 23. Plus 65 is 88. 7 11, so that 1 11 is 8, 5 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Take away 45 is 11. Squared is 121. Double it, 242. 30 divided by 15 is 2, times 11 is 22, double that is 44, plus 10 is 54, half that is 27, take away 8 is 9, times 7, 3 is 27, take away 13 is 14, plus 22 is 36, 41, let's see, hold on a second.